Hello students, we learn median, some examples on median, we learn mean, arithmetic mean, properties of arithmetic mean, examples of arithmetic mean. Now we learn the mode. Definition of mode. Now if the observations are ungrouped, then mode is the observation or mode is the value or variate which occurs more frequently in the observations. And in case of, suppose you have the variables and frequency of the corresponding variables are given, then the mode is the value of the variable corresponding to the maximum frequency. So first we see, suppose what is definition of mode? Mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently in the observation. Suppose example, suppose you have the variables 6, 5, 3, 9, 6, 25, 19, 10, 6, 7, 3, 26, 9, 6. Now we observe the data. Here observations are ungrouped. Our variables are ungrouped. Now here the number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 6 occurs 5 times. Then you observe that 5 occurs 1 times. And there is no other number which occurs 5 times. Therefore, here the 6 occurs the maximum times. 6 occurs 5 times to other observations or to other variables. Therefore, here mode is equal to 6. So, which occurs frequently in the observations. So, this is the mode in case of ungrouped data. Suppose you have the grouped data, then you see the maximum frequency, and corresponding to the maximum frequency, corresponding variable is the required mode. Suppose you have the size or variables. Or variables x and corresponding frequency f. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the suppose variables. 1 occurs 3 times, 2 occurs 5 times, 3 occurs suppose 9 times, 4 occurs 7 times, this occurs 25 times, 5 occurs 25 times, 6 occurs 12 times, 7 occurs 8 times, 8 occurs 10 times. Now you observe here the maximum frequency is 25 and corresponding to the maximum frequency 25, corresponding variable is 5. Therefore, required mode is 5. Required mode is equal to 5. So we have seen the mode in case of ungrouped data and in case of grouped. Now we see the mode in case of the continuous frequency distribution. In case of continuous frequency distribution, mode is given by the formula mode is equal to L plus H into F1 minus F0 upon F1 minus F0 minus F2 minus F1, or this can be written as L plus H into F1 minus F0 upon, here you solve this, you get 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Here N is the lower limit of the model class, H is the magnitude of the class, F1 is the frequency of the model class, F0 is the preceding frequency of model class, and F2 is the succeeding frequency of the model class. Now we see the example on mode. Find the mode for the following distribution. So you have the class intervals and corresponding frequency of the class intervals. Class interval 0 to 10 has the frequency 5. Class interval 10 to 20 has the frequency 8. Class interval 20 to 30 has the frequency 7. Class interval 70 to 40 has the frequency 12. Class interval 40 to 50 having frequency 28. And class interval 50 to 60 having frequency 20. Class interval 60 to 70 having frequency 10. And class interval 70 to 80 having the frequency 9. Now you observe that the maximum frequency is the 28 and corresponding class is 40 to 50. Here maximum frequency is 28. Therefore model class is 40 to 50. So using frequency 28 means this is F1, 12 is F0 and 20 is F2. And you know the formula for mode. Mode is given by mode is equal to L plus H into F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 is equal to, what is L? L is the lower limit of the model class. Lower limit is 40 and upper limit is 50 of the model class. Therefore 40 plus H is the magnitude of the model class 10 into F1 is the frequency of the model class, so it is 28 minus F0. F0 is the preceding frequency of the model class 12 upon 2 into F1 2 into 28 minus F0 means 12 and minus F2 means 20. So is equal to 40 plus 10 into 28 minus 12, 16 upon 2 into 28 means 56 minus 12 minus 20, 32. So is equal to 40 plus 160 upon, so 56 minus 32 is 6 minus 2 means 4 and 5 minus 3 means 2, 24. Therefore is equal to, mode is equal to 40 plus 160 upon 24. Therefore this is 6.666 and so on up to the last term 7. Therefore, is equal to 46.667. So this is the mode of the given frequency distribution. You have given the class intervals and frequency of that class intervals. So in this way, or using the formula for mode, we find the required mode. So in same manner, we see number of examples. So we stop here. Thank you.